This is a Mercedes house which had Ford Taurus rims on it. Everybody has the same shingle until now.
So the next thing I know, when the rain keeps going on and on and on, we're getting massive leaks, flooding, just pouring out in several areas of the house.
Protecting you from the elements and keeping you dry. Two basic functions this roof failed to provide.
The hailstorm that had went through this area had damaged the granules and the fiberglass mat, so it needed to be replaced.
A necessary replacement, but this luxurious home needed a designer roof.
What makes it a designer series shingle is it's just a very unique shape. It's larger, so it's imitating those roofing products that are natural, like shakes, slate, things like that, which all roofing products are trying to imitate.
One thing they can't imitate is the roof's 50-year warranty. Another is the roof's rich look.
There's a depth to it. It's a different look. It's just not straight, bigger shingles. You know, it has a better look to it.
They have a great house and it's unique, and this designer series unique style shingle is going to complete that house and differentiate itself between the rest of the houses in the neighborhood.
These designer shingles certainly do that, but added details on this roof go beyond proper installation to make it even better.
Some of the finishes and detail work you also need to do as standards, such as the open splasher valley, where it's the metal that's open, because you don't see shingle roofs or tile roofs that are woven or closed.
It's an amazing looking roof. I mean, we have cameras all over the house, and I go up to the control room sometimes and just take a look at, I mean, they really look good, even close up.
Up close or far away, the right roof installed correctly adds curb appeal to every home. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.